Our liturgy this morning begins with something that we dearly love here, and that is our joyful noise bell choir. This morning, as we do each time we play the bells, I invite the young and the young at heart to join me up here in the front, and we will take a bell and we will play. So if you are young or you are young at heart, please come up. You can take one bell today. One bell today. Okay? Please take one. Tape around it, you will see this, and then you play, okay? Are you ready?